Landscaping? No, Beatrix, that's a jade plant. It's called jade.
And this is it's a jade plant.
That's basil.
Basil.
And this one over here is jade.
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 Do you have anything to say to Mom and Pop?
Yeah.
What?
I try Mom and Pop just a lot in either side. Just
Beatrix, that doesn't make any sense.
Just a little street. Just we live on Roller Forest Boulevard.
Do you like your house?
Yeah, dear Mom and Pop.